Okay, Monday, and Dad's channel has just exploded with viewership here. I thought a couple of days ago he might struggle to get to 1,300, but he's pushing almost 1,400 subscribers, which is a good thing. And these guys they're back to grinding again. Dogs are outside except for Emily. Dad's just letting her out. Just gonna kick open the door because there's lots and lots of dust in the air. And despite us changing out the filter, it's black again. But Dad's on one grinding tool here and Peter's on the other one. They got to get all that paint off. We tried hiring a guy, but he's not available till January, and they got to get some progress done here. Anyways, I didn't do a video for a couple of days, but Dad was in here yesterday, and he opened up all the gauge holes, and they're looking at putting in the gauges, and Dad's opened up right here for the gear shifter. And so they got the gear shifter in, got to find a cable for that yet, and then they're gonna clean up the dashboard and prime and paint that. What else have you guys been up to today?
I've been sanding all day. He just got here.
Okay.
Half an hour.
Okay. So yeah, they're still working on sanding and grinding and puttying and whatever else, but it's looking good. Sorry about the fan, guys, but we got to put it on. You can barely see anything in here, and don't want to kill the animals. So like I said, we couldn't get anybody to come in and do the grinding and getting all the paint off, so they got to do it. And Dad's 82 and Peter, well, he's in his 60s, so better they do it than I'm doing it, because I don't need to be coughing up half a lung here. But we're going to let these guys keep on doing, and maybe we'll catch up here after they're done a bit. So Tuesday, and it is a nice healthy sheen of orangey reddish paint dust. You guys might hear a muffled voice coming from me right now, and that's because I'm wearing a mask. I only was in the shop for about 10-15 minutes yesterday, and was coughing up half a lung. So Peter is on grinding duty here. He's on the driver's side trying to remove the last of that paint, and he is getting at it, but he's having to start and stop here. And I just spent the last 20 minutes sweeping up the floor here, and it's just a never-ending job. Dad is on the other side, and he is putting on kitty hair, and so he's basically filling in all the blanks here and trying to get that in place. Dad's not as bothered by the dust as I was yesterday, but dust levels are pretty high here. And so he has been filling in all those empty spots. And by filling in those empty spots, he's going to be able to go in with the sander and get the rest of that done. We're going to let these guys finish what they're doing here for today before we do the final walk around. But lots of dust in the shop right now. Alright, Dad and Peter are having a end of day wet here, or at least Dad is. It is dusty, 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 dusty in this shop. And we're just going to let the air exchanger go here all night long, and I'm going to continue on with this video tomorrow. But that's the color of the normal filter there, and that's what it is after just a couple days in the shop. So we're going through those filters every couple hours, or couple days I mean. But if we don't run that air exchanger, it is absolutely nasty in here. So yeah, this is a end of day look at the machine, guys. Lots of reddish orange paint. They're almost done the scraping of the paint, so we're gonna check in back in with these guys tomorrow.